Have you ever seen a player contributing to the team's victory without even playing? Yes, I have seen that. That happened with Bangladesh during the 2007 Cricket World Cup against India. One of the biggest victories of Bangladesh cricket team came during the 2007 Cricket World Cup against a mighty, strong Indian side at the port of Spain. But the man who played a vital role in the victory without even being a part of the 15-man squad was a certain Manjarul Islam Rana. Manjarul Islam Rana is certainly not the most popular name in the cricket world, but it is certainly a name that is pronounced with a lot of pain and agony in Bangladesh cricket. Rana still holds the sad record of the youngest test cricketer to die. It was just a day before the match between Bangladesh and India. The Bangladesh cricket team were practicing at the ground. Suddenly, they received the tragic news of Manjarul Islam Rana's death. The news shocked everyone utterly, but at the same time, they decided that they want to dedicate the next game to Manjarul Rana. The very next day, one of the most iconic moments of Bangladesh cricket team arrived when Bangladesh beat India at the 2007 Cricket World Cup, resulting in India's elimination from the World Cup from the first round. Also known as Qazi Manjarul Islam, he was touted as one of the biggest prospects of Bangladesh cricket back then. He made his international debut at the 7th November 2003 against England. On the third delivery of his spell, he picked up the wicket of Michael Vaughan and in the process became the first Bangladeshi cricketer to take a wicket on his maiden international over. He made his test debut against Zimbabwe at 19th February 2004. He bowled 20.2 overs in that game. By giving away 66 runs, he took 2 wickets. The first test wicket of Manjarul Rana was Sean Irvine. He scored a 35 not out and a 32 respectively in his debut match. He played an instrumental part in Bangladesh's victory over Zimbabwe in the ODI series in the 2005, where Bangladesh were trailing 2-0 down to Zimbabwe for the first 2 ODIs, and later Bangladesh won back-to-back 3 games to beat Zimbabwe 3-2. Rana was elected man of the match in 2 of the games of that series. The head coach of Bangladesh cricket team back then, Dave Watmore, was a big fan of Manjarul Rana's abilities. He always praised Manjarul Rana and believed that Manjarul Rana could become the next big thing in Bangladesh cricket. It was thought that along with Saqib Al Hasan, Manjarul Rana will play a vital role in Bangladesh's resurgence. He played 6 test matches for Bangladesh where he scored 257 runs at an average of 25.70, which does not reflect his batting abilities, and played 25 ODIs where his average is more humble, where he scored 331 runs at an average of 20.68. His highest scores have been 69 and 63 in Test and ODI cricket respectively. In Test matches, he picked up only 5 wickets at an average of 80.20, where in ODIs the statistics gets a little bit better. He took 23 wickets at an average of 29.95. Although the stats doesn't always reveal the truth, but it can be said without a doubt that Manjarul Rana had immense potential as an individual. When Bangladesh was taking part in the 2007 Cricket World Cup, Rana was working his way back to the national team. Who knows, after a few months he could have made his way back to the Bangladesh cricket team. But alas, a road accident took him far away from all of us. Today, on 5th April, on the occasion of his birth anniversary, we remember Manjarul Islam Rana with lot of pride and respect. May his departed soul rest in peace.